Las Vegas, the that is full of lights, extravagance, and themed hotels, gambling, and every vice imaginable. The city that would dry up almost instantly if water were not pumped into it. Las Vegas is everything that sustainability is not. However, MGM Mirage and Dubai World have created a joint venture to build a new hotel development, and they wanted something different. Bobby Baldwin, the president of the Now City Center, said that they wanted to do something that has never been done before in Las Vegas. Before City Center's construction, Las Vegas and Nevada lacked any sustainable buildings. The designers of the City Center project wanted it to be a premier development in the world, and they felt this can only be done with some sort of LEED certification. The developers and the designers set the goal that the project would achieve a LEED Silver designation. City Center is said to be one of the largest privately funded projects built to date with a price tag of $8.5 billion. To give an idea of the size of the project, City Center is located on 76 acres of land. It houses 2,400 condominiums and condo hotel units, about 4,800 hotel rooms, and 500,000 square feet of retail and entertainment center. Its total square footage is 16,797,000 square feet. Despite the massive size of City Center, the project was able to exceed its LEED Silver goal and excel to the LEED Gold designation for all 6 of its buildings. City Center is also among the largest LEED certified developments built to date. I will now start to explain how this massive project was able to achieve its LEED Gold certification. To begin, when the Boardwalk Hotel was demolished where the current site is, it produced 124,000 tons of debris, and 120,000 of those tons never made it to landfills. The rebar was melted down and reused, the concrete was ground up and used as filler, the furnishings were sent to projects in other countries, and the drapes and carpets from the hotel were used as the packing materials for the shipping. The new products that were used in the city center were chosen from 206 manufacturers within a 500-mile radius of the center. This lowered the air pollution attributed to the center by shrinking the distance the materials needed to be transported. The products they chose also contain low VOCs, which are products that have vapors that are reduced that cause health problems. More than 50% of the materials used in the Aria, which is the main casino, and Crystals, the shopping center and entertainment complex, are certified by the Forest Stewardship Council. This means that these materials come from responsibly managed forests where clear cutting is avoided. During construction, the City Center allocated space for on-site concrete manufacturing so that truck travel can be reduced and again lower the air pollution. City Center is built also a central power plant on their site. It provides all the power for the 6 buildings on the site, and to make it more efficient, the heat that's given off by the plant is recaptured and reused to heat all the water for City Center. This actually makes the entire power plant 80% efficient. City Center worked to make its site as water efficient as possible. Since they are in the desert, they wanted to be as conscious of their water usage. So by doing this, they used drought-resistant plants instead of tropical plants as a way to decrease the water they needed to water the landscaping. This allowed the outside to achieve a 50% water efficiency. Inside, the use of low-flow fixtures gave City Center a savings of 30% on their water usage. City Center also uses a unique ventilation system in terms of Vegas. Most hotel ventilations flow from the ceiling down. This causes the smoke and other vapors to stay low where people will continue to breathe them. City Center's ventilations flow from the floor to the ceiling. This pulls all the smoke and smells up and away, resulting in a healthier and odor-free environment. City Center also requires their employees to go through LEED training as part of their orientation. This makes sure that they know about the City Center's green initiatives and ensure that their employees know how to do their jobs in line with this green focus. They want to make sure that all the employees continue to recycle properly and go through all the procedures that will keep them green. There are critics, however, of the city center's claim to sustainability. They argue that the project did not have to be as large as it was. A focus in sustainability is building only what you need, and this development exceeds is excess of their need. They in fact have not opened up all the floors to the hotels and condominium buildings. However, I do disagree with this. I believe in Las Vegas. This is Las Vegas's spin on sustainability. Everything in Las Vegas is big and extravagant, but only the MGM Mirage's city center is LEED certified as sustainable. The city center's push towards sustainability will be a model for all Las Vegas hotels and casinos to be built in the future.